All right, so we are in a 1980 240D, and I'm going to demonstrate how to remove its lock cylinder. So first thing you need is a very thin tool, such as this hex key. This is about 1.25 millimeters thick, and it has to fit inside this little hole, which you see just slightly left of the top of the keyhole. That's very important. Now, take the key, insert the key, turn it to the first click, which is the accessory position, so the key will line up with the first notch on the black outer ring. Take this hex key and press it in to the hole. Now it takes a little bit of effort and it gets stuck because this one probably hasn't been undone in many years. And when the release is pressed correctly, there we go. It just went in quite a bit. Now we are able to unscrew the outer ring around the ignition lock. Okay? This requires several rotations. Okay, it's getting looser. You can see it's coming out. And I think we're just about there. I'm gonna wiggle it out, and that's it. The entire assembly comes out. So now, you can pull this apart here. So you can see this. Pull the key out. And I'll show you what we were doing here. Now, by putting the pin in here, well, first we have to turn the key back to the original position. First we rotate the key to the first click. And when the key is rotated to the first position, it provides access to a small hole in the back here, behind the front of the, so now we can see the hole is lined up. Now if I press here, there. So by pressing this tool into this hole, it actually pulls this piece down, which allows you to rotate the black cylinder around the lock cylinder and take it off. That piece actually fits into that groove inside the lock cylinder. So now, if you have a situation where the lock cylinder was damaged, you can actually now start the car without a key by putting a large flat screwdriver in there and rotating the lock.